Today we will be creating a new React project. So to create a new React project, what you need to do is you need to go to the folder where you want to create the React project. In that particular folder, you can just press Shift key and do a right click, and you can choose an option to basically either open a PowerShell or you can open a terminal window there. Additionally, what you can do is you can also type on the address bar and then simply type CMD there. Once your terminal is open, what you can do is you can first check if the node is installed. So how you can do that is by using this command node -- version. So basically my node version is 18.13.0, and you have to also make sure that npx is installed. So npx is a package runner tool. Okay, so npx is also installed for me. So now in order to create your React project, what you have to do is we will be using the npx and then create -react-app is the name of the package, which will help us in setting up a basic React project with all the build tools and Babel and every webpack that whatever is required, right? And you provide the name of the project that you want to create. I'm simply saying my-app. So we have to wait while this command gets executed. It will automatically start installing the basic dependencies that are required to run your basic React project. And it's done, right? So now if I see the projects that have been created, you will see a folder with the name of the project that I just created. So I will just go inside that project using command cd, name of the folder. Now I'm inside my project. So since everything is already installed, all I have to do is npm start, and this will start my dev server. Just coming up. Okay, so here you can see it has started loading a basic React app, right? So yeah, that is all for this video. In order to stop the server, you can simply press ctrl C.